I am Erwin Nilano, Mapua Institute of Technology. I'm here to discuss list.merge. So, what is list.merge? It removes the elements from the argument list, inserts them into the target list, and orders the new combined set of elements in ascending order or in some other specific order. Let's put it this way. You have two glasses, and then your the first glass you're gonna pour it in on the second, so the first glass will be empty and the second glass will be merged with the first glass. So that's the idea. So the syntax uh is is as you can see, first list that merge and then the second list. So the library requirement is include iOS stream, include list. So this is a sample program. I'm gonna run it on my Visual Studio. Okay, so here it goes. Uh, so as you can see, this is the library requirement, and then the there are given values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. Uh, this program will compare the first and the second. Okay, so yan. So there it is. I'm gonna run the programs for you to check it. Okay, then there it goes. It merged the first and the second uh, programs, and then the first and the second value compares it first, and then here it goes. So that will be all. Thank you and God bless. Bye.